Bonjour, ça va? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making a fire and I will be preparing some kindling wood using a hatchet. There's a little bit of corrosion on that. Let me show you how we clean it up using a whetstone. Come along. This is the rust eraser whetstone that I use. It can be found on Amazon. And now, the first step is to wet the whetstone. It needs to absorb water, so we are going to leave it for 5 minutes and come back. And now, using the whetstone, I'll be working on the axe. Hop. Okay, and now I will use this tool, which is from Amazon. It's quite good. You can use it for scissors, knives, axes. You have different sharpening tools on it. Yes, it's sharp. It's good now. Let's go. Whew. Hi. It's good and fun, but we need to talk about health and safety, so this is not enough. I'm gonna change, and I will see you back in a minute. And now we are ready. I have my old coveralls from work, gloves, some shoes, eye protection, and a hat. So let's go. It smells very nice. Coming from the wood, very, very nice. Not. So nice. There you go. I think we are ready now. We have done enough. Let's go and make a fire. This is the EU Solo Stove fire pit. It doesn't produce so much smoke thanks to its double combustion system. Also, there is a heat deflector which provides extra warmth for friends and family around the fire. I also use it for cooking, barbecues, or even making a stew. Very nice. Délicieux. I will be making further videos where I cook with the fire pit. I really like to sit around the fire. What about you? Let me know with a comment below the video. And now, let's start the fire. Okay. There is something special about fires, isn't it? It is inviting and we gather around it, play guitar, sing together as a group, and these special moments create unforgettable memories. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, so that you can be notified when the next videos come out. If you would like me to make new videos on this topic, or if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Au revoir for now, but not goodbye.